Good afternoon guys, welcome to another sunny day from Seoul. I've come to this place, it's called the Hyundai, and I know it seems strange, I'm not sure if I can, there it says Hyundai. It's called the Hyundai shopping mall or Hyundai department store, and it's the latest shopping place in Seoul. Yeah, we all know Hyundai as a company that makes cars, but here in Korea they have things called chaebols, which are big industrial groups connected loosely to each other, and Hyundai just happened to be one of them. They make cars, but they do other things as well. They have credit cards, banking, finance. I'm going to do another video dedicated to chaebols, so do subscribe if you want to follow that. I'm gonna come here and check this place out and see what it's like. I did a bit of research on it, and apparently it's a completely new shopping concept designed with the post-COVID era in mind, with post-COVID recovery and all that kind of jazz, to attract people into shops again. So here's the outside of the building. It's quite a, I don't know what these red, is it meant to be like a crane or something? It looks like a crane coming off the side of the building, but I don't know. First of all, off the bat, on the outside it has Gucci and there's Prada, so already it's probably going to be out of my budget, but I'll take a look once I get inside and see what it's like. They have handbags and stuff. I need to put on my mask. It looks quite fancy. Hopefully no one gets annoyed with me recording in here, because that'll be... Oh wow. Alright, so okay, I thought it was one big department store, but it's actually a shopping mall. Waterfall Garden. What is that? I do like the interior decor here. It's well done. Oh, right, okay, this is the Waterfall Garden. That noise is very nice. There's a big a big spotted bear. In fact, it actually says big bear down there. I'm not sure if this has any artistic value or merit. I don't know what the Korean says. I was going to look at this screen over there, but these ladies have gone in it. Alright, let's just walk around. Alright, so on there it says exclusive label, so I assume the stuff gets cheaper as you go up or downstairs. Let's go upstairs. Oh, they've gone off the screen. Let's take a look. Oh, alright, so they don't have in English, which is a bit of a shame. I'm not sure what any of this stuff means. Oh, English, there you go. English, alright. First, so we're on the first floor. How the hell? Oh, there we go, first floor. Alright, second floor. That third floor. I think it's just clothes. Fourth floor. Alright, let's scrap the clothes. Let's take a look at B1. Oh, it's food downstairs. And okay, let's get to B1. I am also hungry. Oh, I didn't notice this bigger waterfall. Look at that. There's a small one and a big one. No, right side, we're going to B1. Like, I'm getting all confused now. Oh, right, let's go down these stairs. Now, food courts in department stores or shopping malls like this are a bit of a hidden treasure in Korea. They always have, oh wow, it's really nice, isn't it? Jeez. They always have good food at reasonable prices. In my opinion, it's a marketing strategy to get people to come into the shop. You give them cheap food, they'll come, just like IKEA or Costco. Costco's another one that does that. just amazing, this, isn't it? What have we got here? Is this like vegan chicken? Is this I'm not a chicken? None of it in English. I just have no idea what this is. Some kind of noodles or spaghetti or something? Nope, nothing's in English. Live the sweet life. That's burgers. Lamb burger, beef burgers. What have we got here? Some kind of meatball. This. Oh, this is cool. Oh, there's an English option. This annoys me. Why are you using the American flag for English? Damn it. Right. Confirm. Choose language. Alright. Oh, so Korean. I'm not a chicken. So is that okay? Cold noodles, Chinese, Japanese. Oh, barbecue curry, basic curry, pork cutlet, udon, ramen, Western lamb burgers. What's this? Pig bang. Some kind of noodles. Some kind of wraps, crispy rolls it says. Right, that's pretty cool. I did like that. Okay, that's very good. You order from one thing for all the whole shop. Very convenient. Excellent. I've seen this. This is like an American thing, isn't it? You've been meaning to try this. I'll put this on the maybe bar. There's a queue for this coffee shop, is it? Coffee shop, yeah. You see the design of this. You can't beat Koreans for interior shop design. It's just next level. Paris croissant. Let's take a look at what they have in here. I think this is like a self-service thing. Oh, like sandwiches, salads. That looks good, isn't it? There's a lot of egg in that. Is that all the way through? Is it a thick slice of bread that's been like stuffed? Oh, these look good. Scones. Very good. Wine works. It's another very cool looking coffee shop. Just look at the design and decor. It's really next level, this, like, I really love it. What have we got here? Like, souffle sandwiches. Oh, they have a supermarket as well. I'm going to assume that a lot of the stuff here is imported and expensive. No, I think it's a mixture of Korean goods and imported goods. Alright, I've got a video dedicated to walking around a supermarket. So if you're interested in this, go and check that out. Okay, I've come up another couple of floors just to see what it's like, and it is nice. It's almost all fashion in this mall, almost all of it. It's all clothes. This is all clothing as well. This is the third floor or second floor. Yeah, here the ground floor is number 1, so this is number 3. I think I'll go up another floor and see what it's like. Home appliances, golf, sports and outdoor. Okay. The decor here looks a bit different too. I didn't realise that National Geographic was like a fully fledged clothing brand. Makes sense for outdoor stuff. It's a big suitcase that. It's deep. And this is the outdoor clothing section, so it's got, well, that was the outdoor clothing. This is, I guess, homeware. Beds. I think the other side is all homeware. Alright, let's go upstairs and have a look at what's upstairs. There's the first waterfall, second waterfall, and the blue bear that we saw earlier. Oh wow, it's like Sounds Forest, it says. Electronics, kids, babies. So we've got a bunch of different things here. Home appliances, Apple products, Samsung store. It's like the biggest Samsung store I've ever seen, obviously. These different cases for your headphones. Oh yes, you got a Pokemon, Simpsons. Oh, that's pretty cool. Korean. Alright, that's cool. I see here they've got some kind of botanical garden. I mean, it's pretty cool. Oh, there's an LG shop as well. So there's a Samsung shop over there and an LG shop here. It's all home appliances and stuff. Microsoft store, which is absolutely deserted. Right, let's see if we can go up another set of stairs and see what's upstairs. This is the top floor. I'm not sure what there is to see here. Is it restaurants, I think? I'm walking into a restaurant here. It's a very pleasant environment. I do understand what they meant by giving shoppers a new experience. This is less like... it's more of a chill out kind of place than like just a big shopping mall with just shops and with endless shops. It's a very pleasant environment. I'm not sure I understand what these are. Like, are you meant to stand on it and take a picture of yourself in the mirror? I don't understand what... Something written here in Korean. Let's see if we can try and translate that. It doesn't make sense, it just says like add the scenery, say hello, something something. But it's very nice when you look. Right, I think that's the end of this little tour of this shopping mall. Very, very nice shopping mall. It's called the Hyundai in Seoul. And thank you ever so much for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, it will really help me out, and I'll catch up with you guys next time.